Hello, this is Olivia with Hard Rock Stoneworks, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to measure your countertops. Before we get started, you'll need to answer a few questions. Do you want backsplash? And what type of sink? What type of edge? And do you need tear out? Roughly draw your kitchen on a piece of paper. It does not have to be totally accurate, just a rough idea of shape and location. Label each separate piece. Run the tape measure along the longest side of the countertop. Write the measurement down in inches. This will be how wide each piece is. Now check the depth. Measure each piece from front to back. Make sure you take into consideration any backsplash on top of the counter. Do this for every piece in the kitchen. On the drawing, indicate the locations of backsplash, finished edges, appliances, or any overhangs that are more than 1.5 inches. That's it. Once you have your drawing, you can submit it to our professionals at Hard Rock Stoneworks, and we will provide it with an accurate quote. So simple, even a kid can do it. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.